You're looking for ways to make extra money, but think starting a business costs a fortune. I'm going to show you online side hustles you can launch this week with almost zero startup cost. Feeling like you're stuck on a hamster wheel, working hard, but never actually getting ahead. You want to start a side hustle for some extra cash, but you're convinced you need a pile of money just to get in the game. What if I told you that's completely wrong? In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 6 online side hustles you can launch this week with almost zero startup cost. These are the kinds of businesses that can realistically add an extra $1,000 or more to your monthly income. Let's get into it. Look, that feeling of being stuck is way more common than you think. With the cost of everything going up, the main paycheck often just covers the bills, leaving nothing for savings, paying off debt, or, having a little fun. It's no surprise that about a third of people with a side hustle say they need it just to cover basic expenses. So many people dream of starting something, but that fear of huge startup costs and the risk of it all failing just stops them in their tracks. But here's the reality check for 2025. The game has changed. The internet has smashed the old barriers to starting a business. You don't need a physical shop, a warehouse of inventory, or a giant bank loan anymore. All you truly need is a computer, an internet connection, and a skill or passion you can turn into cash. I've walked this path, and I'm here to show you the routes that are wide open right now. Routes that demand more hustle than cash. First up, the fastest way to start making extra money online is by becoming a freelance service provider. This is as simple as it sounds. You take a skill you already have and offer it to businesses that need it. We're talking about things like writing, graphic design, social media management, or becoming a virtual assistant. So, what on earth is a virtual assistant, or VA? A VA is basically a remote assistant who helps clients with administrative tech or creative tasks. This could be managing an email inbox, scheduling appointments, posting on social media, or tackling data entry. The demand for VAs and other freelancers is through the roof because businesses are constantly looking to outsource jobs to stay lean and cut costs. Let's talk money. The startup cost is practically nothing. You've got the skills, you've got a computer, and you've got the internet. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com let you build a profile and start bidding on projects almost instantly. As for what you can earn, it's not crazy for new VAs to start between $20 and $25 an hour, and that number climbs fast with experience. Some freelance writers and marketing pros pull in over $100 an hour or charge day rates of $150. Your quick start tip is this. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Pick 1 or 2 things you're actually good at and enjoy. Are you a wizard with spreadsheets? Or do you have a knack for writing social media captions that people actually read? Great. Build a profile on a site like Upwork. Put that one skill front and center and go find that first client. Taking action is everything. And in 2025, you have a secret weapon: AI. You can use AI tools to help draft emails, brainstorm content ideas, and streamline your workflow, making you even more efficient and valuable to your clients. Next is a personal favorite of mine because of its potential for passive income. Selling digital products. A digital product is something you create one time, like an ebook, social media templates, a digital planner, or a budget spreadsheet, and can sell over and over again without ever touching a piece of inventory. The real magic here is how it scales. You put in the work up front to make a great product. After that, it costs you $0 to deliver it to each new customer. It's a powerful way to separate your income from the hours you work. Demand for these products is exploding as people are always searching for resources to help them learn something, save time, or get organized. What about startup costs? Dirt cheap. You can use free tools like Canva to design templates or Google Docs to write an ebook. Then you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, which handle all the payment and delivery stuff for a small cut. Your earning potential is tied to how good your product is and how well you market it. But a popular set of templates or a useful ebook can easily bring in hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month in passive income. Your quick start tip: find a problem and solve it. Are people in your hobbies Facebook group always asking for a way to track their progress? Make a printable tracker. Do small business owners have ugly Instagram feeds? Design a pack of professional Canva templates for them, Start with one simple, high-value product that solves one specific problem for one specific audience. Don't try to build an empire on day one. Make one thing, sell it, and listen to the feedback. If you're not interested in creating your own products or services, you can make money simply by recommending products you already use and love. It's called affiliate marketing. Basically, you partner with brands and get a commission every time someone buys something through your unique referral link. This whole industry is built on trust. When you genuinely recommend something that helped you, people listen. Startup cost: next to nothing. You can start with just a social media profile, a YouTube channel, or a basic blog. The trick is to pick a niche you're actually passionate about, whether it's tech gadgets, fitness gear, sustainable products, or software tools. By creating helpful content like reviews, tutorials, or comparison posts, you build an audience that trusts what you have to say. The earning potential can be massive. It might start small, but successful affiliate marketers can earn thousands per month. Some creators report making anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 a month just from their affiliate links. The key is being consistent and building a real connection with your audience. Your quick start tip: don't just blast your links into the void. Pick one platform you genuinely enjoy using: Instagram, TikTok, a blog, whatever. Start creating helpful content about your niche. If you love coffee, start a page reviewing different beans and brewing methods. Once you have a small but engaged following, you can join a program like Amazon Associates and weave your recommendations into your content naturally. By the way, if you're getting some value out of this and you're serious about changing your financial story in 2025, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. I drop new videos every single week to help you build your income and design a life you love, and I'd be thrilled to have you in the community. Do you have deep knowledge about a specific subject? Are you a guitar god, fluent in Spanish, or a certified personal trainer? If so, you can turn that expertise into a profitable online tutoring or coaching business. The demand for online learning has never been higher, with people of all ages looking for one-on-one help with everything from chemistry to career coaching. This side hustle is all about sharing your passion to help someone else win. You can offer one-on-one sessions or small group classes, creating a flexible business that works with your schedule. The startup costs are tiny. All you need is a computer with a webcam, a stable internet connection, and, well, your expertise. Tools like Zoom or Google Meet give you everything you need to get started. The earning potential is fantastic. Tutors and coaches can charge premium rates for their specialized knowledge. Depending on what you teach, you could earn anywhere from $50 to $100 per session, or even more. Your quick start tip: figure out your most marketable skill. And don't just think about school subjects. Are you amazing at meal prepping, public speaking, or navigating a complicated piece of software? There's a market for that. Start by offering your services in relevant Facebook groups or on local community forums. Give your first few clients an introductory rate to build up some testimonials and get the ball rolling. It feels a little meta to talk about YouTube on YouTube, but it's still one of the most powerful and low-cost side hustles you can start in 2025. You can create a channel about literally anything you're passionate about, from cooking and woodworking to video game commentary or personal finance. The business model is simple: build an audience around a topic you love, then monetize that attention. The main way people earn is through the YouTube Partner Program, which puts ads on your videos, but that's just the start. You can also make money from brand sponsorships, selling merchandise, or through affiliate marketing, which we already covered. Your startup cost is the smartphone that's already in your pocket. Seriously, the camera quality is more than good enough to start. The real investment is your time spent planning, filming, and editing. While it takes time and consistency to grow, a successful channel can absolutely become a full-time income and more. Your quick start tip: don't try to be everything to everyone. Pick a niche you could talk about for hours. Your first 10 videos will probably be pretty bad, and that's perfectly okay. The goal is to start, learn from your analytics, see what your audience engages with, and just get a little better with each video. You're not trying to go viral overnight. You're trying to build a loyal community, one subscriber at a time. Finally, if you're just looking for a way to make some extra cash in your spare time without the pressure of building a whole business, you can get paid to test websites and apps. Companies are desperate for feedback from real people to make their products better. Sites like usertesting.com will literally pay you to browse a website or use an app and just say what you're thinking out loud. This isn't going to make you rich, but it is a totally legitimate and super flexible way to pocket some extra money. You're getting paid for your opinion. It takes zero experience, and the only startup cost is a computer and a microphone. You can expect to earn a little bit for each test you take, but it's a dead simple way to turn those random pockets of free time into cash. It's the perfect entry-level side hustle to prove to yourself that making money online is actually real. Your quick start tip: sign up for a platform like usertesting.com. You'll probably have to do a quick sample test to get approved. Once you're in, just be thorough and give clear, honest feedback. The better your reviews are, the more tests you'll likely be offered. So there you have it, 6 different low-cost ways you can start making real money online in 2025. Freelancing, creating digital products, affiliate marketing, coaching, making YouTube videos, and even just giving your feedback. The most important takeaway is this: you don't need a mountain of cash to start. The barrier to entry has never been lower. What you do need is to be willing to take that first step. Don't get stuck overthinking it for months and never actually doing anything. Pick one idea from this list that actually excites you and commit to taking one small action on it this week. Whether that's creating your freelancer profile, brainstorming a digital product, or filming that first video, action is what turns dreams into reality. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments which side hustle you're most excited to try. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more ways to build your income and design a life you actually love in 2025. Thanks for watching.